Hello dear viewers, this is Tanvir Ahmad at the Royal Academy of English. Subscribe to my channel, Royal Academy of English, for new, interesting and informative videos. Like these videos, share these videos and press the bell icon. Welcome to the Royal Academy of English. Today we are doing a very important lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about triphthongs in English. So, let's start this very interesting and very informative lesson. Before the start of this very important lesson, you have to know some very important terms. Vowel. A speech sound in which the mouth is open and the tongue is not touching the top of the mouth, the teeth, etc. is called vowel sound. Look at these examples. A, E, air, etc. Consonant. A speech sound made by completely or partly stopping the flow of air being breathed out through the mouth is called consonant sound. Look at these examples. P, P, Ch, Ch, B, B, J, J, etc. Triphthong. A combination of three vowel sounds or vowel letters is called triphthong. Look at this example. The word is fire. In the word fire, ire is a triphthong. In British English, there are said to be 5 triphthongs formed by adding to the diphthongs a, I, oi, ow, o. The triphthong air is a combination of diphthong a plus The triphthong ire is a combination of diphthong I plus The triphthong oya is a combination of diphthong oi plus The triphthong awa is a combination of diphthong ow plus and the triphthong oa is a combination of diphthong o plus air sound in different English words. Look at these examples. Layer, layer, player, player. Ayah sound in different English words. Look at these examples. Liar, liar, fire, fire. Oya sound in different English words. Look at these examples. Loyal, loyal, royal, royal. Over sound in different English words. Look at these examples. Lower, lower, more, more. Hour sound in different English words. Look at these examples. Power, power, hour, hour. So, that is the end of the lesson. I hope you have found this lesson very useful and very informative. Other very important topics of interest of the Royal Academy of English are Introduction to the Phonemic Chart, Mouth Fonts, and Triphthongs. Keep watching your own channel, Royal Academy of English, for new, very interesting and very informative videos. Like these videos, share these videos, and press the bell icon.